Hello, it's Shiza Simran. Hello, I am Simran and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So, in our first lecture, we are going to learn some of the most common greetings in German language. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The most used informal greeting is Hallo, ha-lo, which means hi or hello. We should only use this greeting with friends or relatives as it is an informal greeting. So now let's start with Gutentag. Guten Tag. Gutentag, which means good day. We can use Guten Tag only during the daytime from like morning until early evening. And for the morning we say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen, which means good morning. And for the evening we say Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Guten Abend, which means good evening. So Tag, Morgen and Abend is German for day, morning and evening respectively. What to say when you leave? German people usually say Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen when leaving in a formal situations, which means goodbye. If we want to say goodbye to friends or relatives, we will use the informal way, that is Tschüss. Tschüss. That two dot above U is called umlaut in German alphabet, which we will study in our next lecture. But before that, let's learn the way to pronounce it. The way to pronounce the U umlaut is by making the sound E and pursing your lips as if you are whistling almost completely shut, just like Tschüss, which also means bye but in informal way. Now you can greet people in many different ways in German. Let's review them all again. First, the greeting. In informal way, we simply say Hallo. And in formal way, we use Guten Morgen, which is good morning. Guten Tag in afternoon and Guten Abend in the evening. While leaving in formal situation, we say Auf Wiedersehen. And in informal situation, we say Tschüss. It's easy, isn't it? And also, do you know, in Austria and in the southern part of the Germany, people use Grüß Gott to say goodbye. So before I finish this lecture, don't forget to revise and keep practicing. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And also give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below if you have any doubt regarding this. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, cheers!